This is exercise 4 from Dark Side of the Light Chasers by Debbie Ford. It also comes in 2 parts. Number 1. Here's a list of negative words. Take a few minutes and identify any words that have an emotional charge for you. Say out loud, I am blank. If you can say it without any emotional charge, then move on to the next word. Write down the words that you dislike or react to. If you are not sure that the word has any charge for you, close your eyes for a minute and meditate on the word. Repeat it to yourself a few times out loud and ask yourself how you'd really feel if someone you respected called you this word. If you'd be angry or upset, write it down. Also, spend some time thinking about words that are not on this list that run your life or cause you pain. Greedy, liar, phony, cheap, hateful, jealous, vindictive, controlling, nasty, possessive, bitchy, wimp, evil, geek, prudish, womanizer, angry, secretive, codependent, alcoholic, predator, drug addict, gambler, sick, fat, disgusting, stupid, idiot, fearful, unconscious, masochistic, bulimic, anorexic, unimportant, shyster, compulsive, frigid, rigid, abuser, manipulator, victim, victimizer, egocentric, better than, foolish, emotional, pompous, ugly, sloppy, loudmouth, big mouth, passive-aggressive, smelly, lame, coward, jerk, inauthentic, offensive, inappropriate, wild, dead, zombie, late, irresponsible, incompetent, lazy, opportunist, lush, stingy, unfair, dumb, traitor, weasel, immature, gossip, snippy, desperate, childish, floozy, shrew, pansy, gold digger, hormonal, cruel, insensitive, scary, dangerous, explosive, perverted, psychotic, needy, energy sucker, shit disturber, mean, defensive, man-hater, sad, frail, impotent, insipid, castrated, mama's boy, nervous, arrogant, miser, spinster, slut, deceitful, judgmental, imposter, superficial, violent, thoughtless, martyr, hypocrite, love buyer, sneak, grudge carrier, condescending, competitive, power hungry, wasteful, insane, sinister, bigot, white trash, anxious, stuck, hotshot, goofy, woman hater, sadistic, nose picker, loser, worthless, failure, envious, critical, flabby, neglectful, whore, shame, shameful, dirty, bitter, shameless, bossy, inflexible, old, cold, withdrawn, soulless, heartless, has-been, cagey, resentful, racist, unenlightened, snob, elitist, faggot, dominating, sleazy, overbearing, inflexible, bad, ignorant, thief, cheater, scammer, pushy, classless, trashy, devious, conniving, groupie, insecure, depressed, hopeless, not good enough, beggar, whiny, asshole, ballbuster, frugal, unlovable, delinquent, scared, hyper, nosy, intrusive, perfectionist, anal, know-it-all, ass-kisser, malicious, resentful, righteous, freak, useless, middle class, resistant, withholding, betrayer, inferior, destructive, thick-headed, confrontational, weak, impatient, full of shit, dyke, self-destructive, imperious, idiot, ruthless, oversensitive, pig-headed, tight-ass, tasteless, uninteresting, lifeless, empty, diabolical, ridiculous, wretched, pain in the ass. Imagine that an article was written about you in your local newspaper. This is number 2. What are the 5 things that you would not want to be said about you? Write them down. Now try to imagine 5 things they could say about you that wouldn't matter to you at all. The question is, are the first 5 things true and the second 5 untrue? Or have you decided, with the help of your family and friends, that the first 5 things are the wrong things to be, therefore you do not want them said about you? We must uncover what's behind these words so that we can take back these disowned parts of ourselves. Write down the judgments you have about each of these words. See if you can identify when you first made that judgment or whom you took the judgment from. Was it your mother, father, or another family member?